1. Get a drainer kit. To get started, you'll need access to a reliable drainer. Look for kits that support ERC20 tokens, NFTs, multi-chain, ETH, BNB, Polygon, Sol. Built-in analytics, plus Telegram notifications. Optional stealth modes for high-value targets. These are available from trusted private sources. A solid starting point is cracked.sh drip dev, providing clean, secure drainers with setup support and optional DaaS, drainer as a service. Pricing usually ranges from $500 to $3,000 depending on features. 2. Pick the bait type. You need a reason for them to connect their wallet. Popular methods. Tip: the more legit your page looks, the better. Use logos, fake socials, and countdown timers. Build trust fast. 3. Buy a domain. Stay hidden. Use Njalla, HTTPS, Njalla. Accepts crypto, no KYC. Used by most drainers. Alternatives: Namecheap. Works but easier to get flagged. Porkbun, GoDaddy. Not recommended. Centralized fast takedowns. 4. Host the site. 3 options. Use the drainer dev's included hosting. Recommended self-host via VPS, OVH, Hetzner, or anonymous providers. Use Russian bulletproof host if you're scaling. Expensive, safer. 5. Edit the config at your wallet, where drained funds go. Set chains. BSC Matic. Enable logging. Plus alerts. Telegram bot notifications when someone connects. Cracked. Our drip dev kits come pre-configured with multi-chain support and an admin panel for real-time analytics. 6. Spreading. Getting victims. Quote, no traffic, no money. Here's how to drive people to your track. Comment. Hijack Autobots. Comment fake airdrop links on posts. Tip. Use link shorteners like cut.ly or shortecode to bypass filters. 7. Execute plus. Collect once wallet is connected. Drainer scans wallet for assets. If balance at 0, triggers transfer via code. Set approval for all. Or code permit. Assets go to your collector wallet. Optional. Wait and auto drain later for stealth kits from Cracked. SH1 a drip dev includes smart scheduling features and optional delay triggers for cleaner ops. 8. Clean your funds. Don't send to a CEX wallet. You'll get flagged. Use mixers, Tornado, cash forks, railgun bridges, move funds across chains. ETH, BNB, Matic. Multiple hops. Use helper wallets before your final storage address.